guys are doing well. Welcome to Digital Kashmaila, where we explore psychology topics in simple terms. Today, we will talk about anxiety and practical ways to deal with it. Let's get started. And the first is, what is anxiety? Anxiety is a natural response when we feel worried or stressed. It's that feelings of butterflies in your stomach before a big event or the jitters you experience when facing something new. Anxiety can be a normal part of life, but for some people, it can become overwhelming and interfere with daily activities. And what are the signs of anxiety? So, how do you know if you are experiencing anxiety? Common signs include a fast heartbeat, restlessness, sweating, or feeling tense. You might find yourself overthinking things or feeling on edge most of the time. And if you notice these signs, it's essential to acknowledge and address them. And the next is anxiety triggers. Anxiety can be triggered by various factors. It could be a significant life change, such as starting a new job or moving to a new place. Certain social situations might also trigger anxiety, like public speaking or meeting new people. Even everyday stressors like deadlines or financial concerns can contribute to anxiety. So, what are different types of anxiety? Anxiety comes in different forms and it can affect people differently. Some experience social anxiety, which makes social interactions difficult and uncomfortable. Others may have panic attacks, sudden intense bouts of fear accompanied by physical symptoms like racing heart and shortness of breath. Generalized anxiety disorder involves excessive worry and anxiety about various aspects of life. It's essential to recognize the type of anxiety you are dealing with to find the most effective coping strategies. How to dealing with anxiety? One powerful way to cope with anxiety is by staying in the present moment. Mindfulness, a simple but effective practice that can surely help you ground yourself and reduce anxiety. Try this, find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Notice the sensations in your body and then the sounds around you. Be fully present in the moment without judgment. So, it's really important. Practicing mindfulness regularly can bring a sense of calm and peace to your life. How to cope with anxiety? With the process of deep breathing. How to do a deep breathing? Breathing exercise are another great way to calm your mind and body during anxious moment. When anxiety strikes, try this technique, and the technique is take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this process several times until you start to feel more relaxed. Deep breathing helps regulate your heart rate and promote a sense of relaxation. Challenge negative thoughts, that is, and other factors. By using this factor, you can cope with your anxiety. Anxiety often brings a barrage of negative thoughts that can feel overwhelming, and the next time you notice yourself having negative thoughts, challenge them by asking yourself if they are true and if there is evidence to support them. Try to reframe those negative thoughts into a more positive or a realistic one. Remember, not every thought we have is accurate or helpful, so learning to challenge and change them can be empowering. Next, that you can do to control and to cope the anxiety is be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself as you navigate through anxiety. Understand that it's okay to feel anxious at times. It's a normal part of being human. Instead of being critical of yourself, practice self compassion and treat yourself with the same understanding and kindness you would offer to a friend going through a tough time. Being kind to yourself during challenging moments that can provide you a comfort and support. So, a lifestyle, I will give you the lifestyle tips for anxiety relief. What is the lifestyle tips for anxiety relief? Making small lifestyle changes can have a big impact on reducing anxiety, in which regular exercise, eating well balanced meals, getting enough sleep, and staying hydrated are all essential for mental well being. Engaging in activities you enjoy, spending time with loved ones, and finding healthy ways to manage stress can also contribute to anxiety relief. Remember, you are not alone in dealing with anxiety. Many people face similar challenges, and there is no shame in seeking help or support. If anxiety is interfering with your daily life, consider talking to a mental health professional who can provide guidance and support. And at the end, I would like to say you thanks for joining us today on Digital Kashmaila. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on psychology and personal development. Stay tuned for our next video. Take care and be kind to yourself. Bye for now.